Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Mares Titan dry bag. Now the official title is the Attack Titan dry bag. I'm not too keen on attack in sort of my luggage, but yeah, it's a big kit bag. This is like a 120 litre duffel bag. It's really big. You're going to be able to fit everything inside of this and more really. Now the real striking thing, of course, is the colour. So this is really going to stand out on the dive site or the sort of luggage carousel at an airport. And yeah, it's nice and tough. This kind of reinforced tarpaulin material is watertight as well, because they haven't used sort of stitching around the seams. They're actually heat welded. So what you can do is actually at the end of the day, fill this up with a hose pipe. This becomes like a giant dunk tank, so you can wash all your kit, and then on one side of it, just in here, it's in the other side, sorry, you actually have a drainage valve, so you can sort of pop that open and then drain it out. So, so yeah, it's kind of this multi-purpose bag. The real purpose, obviously, is for keeping all of your stuff. Now, the benefits, as well as having a dunk tank, is that you can keep all your dry stuff dry inside. So if you've got all your sort of dry sort of home clothes and whatnot, stow that away inside of this and then sort of hide it somewhere. And if ocean spray kind of comes over or it starts to rain, then that's going to protect it sort of on the inside. Vice versa, at the end of the day, when you've got all of your wet kit, put that inside of this, and then it's not going to leak outside of it, so it's going to keep the boot of your car nice and dry, and it just sort of contains all your wet kit. So, taking a look at the outside, so you've already seen sort of either ends, they both have these big chunky grab handles, so that's really handy for sort of lugging it around. On the top, we of course have this Alpha dive flag, this is the red with the white stripe down the center, and this sort of Velcro flap just acts as a sort of a waterproof protection for the main zipper, because the zipper itself is not watertight. So this just acts as that kind of splash guard if sort of the rain starts to come over the top of it. Either side, you've got detachable straps. So these are either just a carry handle, or you can kind of turn them into shoulder straps. They're adjustable, so if you're going somewhere a bit off-piste, you can sort of carry it to the dive site. But if you don't like them as well, I know airports, they won't like these sort of flappy sort of straps. You can disconnect those, put them away inside of the bag. On the underside, nothing fancy, it's just the same material all the way through. This is like a 500 denier material, I believe, which is pretty tough and yeah, waterproof as well. Okay, so having a look on the inside of the bag. So yes, you've got this Velcro, and then we've got two-way adjustable zippers, big sort of clamshell opening, and then on the inside, nothing fancy, just a big open bag. You've still got that red lining, so if you've got small items, they're really going to stand out, unless they're red, obviously. The thing with a lot of black kit bags is that you have a tiny little sort of black plastic clip. You're going to lose that quite easily inside of a big cavernous bag, whereas this, big and open, but no sort of zippered pockets or sort of any separate pouches, so it's just one big open cavernous bag that you can just stow your stuff away in, and it's nice and secure, and it's really obvious that it's yours because it's bright red. So yeah, I kind of like it. It is a big kit bag. If you're filling that up all the way, that's going to be sort of everything. It's going to be kind of heavy, but yeah, if you're going on like an expedition, you've got lots of stuff and you don't want to have it in multiple bags, this is the one to look at. This is the Mares Titan dry bag. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.